See this concentration here, right above the rudder? That's a critical failure point.
Yes, the simulation confirms it. We need to redistribute that load immediately.
All right, bring it down easy. Watch the clearance on the blue line.
Got it aligned, hitting it with the impact gun now.
This massive ship block is intentionally placed upside down. It allows the workers to weld downwards, which is much more efficient.
All right, keep it steady on your end.
It's heavy. Give me a heads up before the next bend. Okay, lower it slowly.
Watch your spacing on the west side.
Looks good. Set it down.
Bring it down 20 slowly. Easy now. Clear on the starboard side.
Heave on that line, tire off. Watch the fenders.
Copy that, coming down slow. All right, she's aligned, bring her home.
Is Bay 4 clear yet? Almost, just moving the last scaffold now. We are heading out.
All right, easy now, watch the starboard side clearance. Clear on starboard, keep coming down.
Secure the left bracket.
It's moving too fast. Hold the line.
Bring that lift up to level 7. Secure the primary panel before the next power cycle.
Hold it steady, I'm starting the wrench. Okay, hit it. Make sure that seam is tight.
All right, bring it down easy now. Watch the alignment. Hold it there. Okay, she's seated.
The inertial dampeners are aligned. How are the tactical displays looking?
Calibrating now, Jerry's. The radar sweep is active and clear.
We need to align this edge perfectly.
Pass me the stretcher, please.
Is the panel flush against the wall?
Ignition sequence engaged.
Confirming stable burn. We have engine power.
Look at the size of that ship.
I know, it's huge. Good to see you, man.
Watch your left, watch your left. Clear. Bring that pallet in.
It is a magnificent vessel. We are very proud of the work.
And we are thrilled to welcome her to the fleet, to a successful partnership.
I name this vessel, and may God bless her and all who sail upon her.